Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this look. So this is kind of soft makeup look, though I have put on bold lipstick on my lips, but still my eyes are quite soft. So it's kind of party look with soft eyes and bold lips. And if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So I have already done my moisturizing part with the Nivea Soft Light Creme. This is very good moisturizer. I am also going to prep my lips, and for that I'm using Studio West का lip balm. And now for face I'm using Stay Quirky primer. ये अफोर्डेबल रेंज में बहुत अच्छा प्राइमर है, सिलिकॉन बेस्ड प्राइमर है ये, और आपके फेस में जो पोर्स है उसको फिल कर देगा और एक मैटिफाइंग लुक देगा. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू कलर करेक्ट, एंड फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग NYB के कलर करेक्टर्स इन द शेड ऑरेंज एंड येलो. और मैं इससे अपने डार्क सर्कल्स और माउथ के पास वाला एरिया, चिन और थोड़ा नोज़ के साइड का एरिया जो है उसको करेक्ट करूँगी, कलर करेक्ट करूँगी वहाँ पे, बिकॉज आई हैव पिगमेंटेशन और डिस्कलरेशन है वहाँ पे, दैट्स वाई. और उसके बाद मैं इसे ब्लेंड कर लूँगी एक छोटे ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से. You can always skip this step, but I'm doing this because I have some kind of discoloration onto my skin. That's why I'm doing it. Now for foundation, I'm going to mix L'Oreal True Match foundation and MAC foundation. They both are very good and it gives very good finish. So I'm gonna apply this foundation onto my skin and blend it with the beauty blender. The reason behind applying both is that जो ट्रू मैच फाउंडेशन है, इट हैज़ सम काइंड ऑफ शीन इनटू इट, एंड ये बहुत अच्छा एक ग्लो प्रोवाइड करता है फेस पे. एंड मैक का जो फाउंडेशन है वो फुल कवरेज काइंड ऑफ फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग इट, एंड व्हेन यू मिक्स बोथ ऑफ देम इट गिव्स यू गुड फिनिश. For concealing and brightening, I'm going to be using LA Colors का Pro Conceal Concealer and Maybelline का Age Rewind Concealer. The reason behind using both are मेरा जो LA Colors का concealer है वो मेरे skin tone से match करता है, so it will only hide my dark circles. It won't provide any kind of brightness onto my skin. That's why I'm using brightening concealer. And now I'm gonna blend them all using small beauty blender. Now for setting up my face, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Matte Magique Press Powder or Compact Powder, and I'm going to apply this compact powder in the dabbing motion so that जो भी powder है वो face पे अच्छे से stick हो जाए. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this transition shade from Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I'm going to apply that shade onto my crease area and onto my eyelid as well. And I'm gonna apply this onto the lower lash line as well. And I'm gonna be using eyeliner in the shade Burgundy and apply that onto my lid. You don't need to be precise using that eyeliner onto your eye, because we're gonna blend it anyways. Now I'm gonna blend that with the brush, और उसको मैं थोड़ा नीचे वाले लैश लाइन में भी लगा लूँगी उसी शेड को. And I'm gonna blend that very well ताकि वो कुछ ज़्यादा हार्श ना लगे. Again, I'm gonna be using that color and blend the transition area ताकि कोई harsh edges दिखे ना. Now from the same palette, I'm gonna be using that shimmery shade and apply that onto my lid and inner corners. I'm just gonna apply onto the 1/3 of my eyelid, and I'm gonna apply same transition shade and burgundy liner to my lower lash line, and I'm gonna blend them well. For waterline, I'm gonna be using Maybelline ka Gigi Hadid black eyeliner. And I'm gonna apply eyeliner onto my upper lash line. I'm going to be applying very thin eyeliner. And for contouring, I'm going to be using Nicka K Contour Kit, and I'm going to contour hollows of my cheeks, nose, double chin area I mean, and forehead. And I'm going to blend the contour areas very well. I'm gonna bronze my face using W7 Bronze Glow Duo, and I'm gonna fill my brows using L.A Colors Browie brow pencil. This is one of my current favorite product, and I'm in love with this. It has spoolie in the back, so you can comb your brows. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm going to apply that onto the highest points of my face, that is cheekbones, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead, and brow bone as well. And for blush, I'm going to be using Freedom blush in the shade Rare, and I'm going to apply that onto the amples of my cheeks. And for lashes, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild mascara. I'm going to apply it gently onto my lashes. This is very nice mascara and one of my current favorite. And to line my lips, I'm going to be using Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Plum. Then I'm going to apply lipstick from Nicka K Velveteen lipstick range. Shade will be mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check it. So with that, our look is complete, and I hope you all will like this video. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक शेयर ज़रूर करेगा, एंड मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना भी प्लीज़ मत भूलिएगा. डू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. और हाँ, प्लीज़ कमेंट भी करिए मेरे वीडियोस पे. I will see you all super soon with my next video. Till then, bye, take care, stay blessed and stay happy.